Can this routine improve your day?
Welcome back to English Bridge. Today we have a simple question. Can this routine improve your day?
Sinners. Yes. We'll talk about a morning routine that can help you feel happier, more organized, and ready to learn English.
And don't worry, everything is in easy English, so you can listen, learn, and speak with us.
Part 1. Wake up with a positive start.
How do you start your morning?
I try to wake up slowly. I sit up, stretch, and take one deep breath. Then I say something positive, like, today will be a good day.
That's a great start. I like to open the curtains and look outside. A little sunlight makes me feel awake.
Yes, natural light tells your brain it's time to start.
Part 2. Drink water plus light movement.
What do you do next?
I drink a big glass of water. It wakes up my body.
And I like to move, just 2 minutes. Some stretching, maybe a short walk around the room.
You don't need the gym. Small habits equal big change.
Part 3. Plan your day.
My favorite part, planning. Every morning, I write 3 things I want to do.
Only 3?
Yes, if the list is big, I feel stressed. But 3 important things, I feel focused.
Example goals are study English for 20 minutes, call a friend, clean the kitchen.
Simple is powerful.
Part 4. Breakfast and English practice.
Breakfast time. What do you usually eat?
Toast and eggs, and sometimes yogurt.
I like oatmeal, warm and healthy. And here's a tip. While you eat breakfast, you can listen to English, read a short English text, or shadow sentences from this podcast.
Yes, learning English becomes part of your life, not extra work.
Part 5. Quick mind exercise.
One more idea. Write one sentence in English every morning. For example, I feel excited because today I will learn something new.
It helps your brain think in English little by little.
Mini practice with listener.
Okay, listeners, repeat after us. I wake up and stretch. I drink water in the morning. I can make today a great day. I learn English every day.
Amazing. You are doing it already.
Part 6. Ending and motivation.
Remember, you don't need a perfect routine. Just start small and stay consistent.
Try this routine tomorrow and see how your day changes.
Tell us in the comments, which habit will you try first?
Thanks for listening to English Bridge, where English becomes part of your day.
Together, see you next time.
See you next time.
If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to subscribe to English Bridge for more easy and fun English practice. I'd also love to hear from you. Write your questions or suggestions in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer and help you.